Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, bringing you the latest updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have a remarkable story highlighting how AI is making a real difference far beyond the boardroom and into the wild. Microsoft has announced a major breakthrough in conservation, with its AI tools now being used to help track and protect endangered giraffes in Africa. By analyzing huge volumes of drone footage and camera trap data, Microsoft's AI can accurately identify giraffes, monitor their migration patterns, and even predict potential poaching risks. Conservationists on the ground say this technology is dramatically improving both the speed and accuracy of wildlife monitoring. It's allowing rangers and scientists to respond faster to threats and better understand the subtle changes in giraffe populations. This innovation is part of Microsoft's broader AI for Earth initiative, a project that leverages cutting-edge AI to address pressing environmental challenges. The success with giraffes is a powerful example of how artificial intelligence can support not just business goals, but also critical ecological efforts, demonstrating that these technologies have the potential to drive positive impact on a global scale. That wraps up today's top AI story. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI News Connect, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Share this video with your friends who are interested in the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.